Ah, gather round ye dafties and let me weave ye a tale fraught with mystery and magic. Picture this. Wee Kevin and his pal Lance, blundering through life as usual, find themselves entangled in something far beyond their ken, and it was nae mere happenstance but an accident of grand proportions that led them to the guardianship of the elusive leprechauns. And how did this come to be, ye ask? Well, settle in and I'll spill the tale that'll leave you wondering if there's more to luck than just blind chance. It all started one misty morning when Kevin and Lance, half cut as usual, decided they'd take a wee wander in the woods. You see, they'd heard rumours of a hidden pot of gold, and in their infinite stupidity they thought they'd give treasure hunting a go. Armed with nothing but a flask of whiskey and a rusty spade, off they stumbled. After hours of staggering about, tripping over tree roots and arguing about the right direction, they found themselves at a quaint little glade. In the middle stood an ancient oak tree, knotted and twisted, looking like it had seen better days. "This must be the spot," Kevin declared, though it was clear he had nae idea. Lance, trying to act clever, decided to start digging at the base of the tree. But instead of gold, they unearthed a tiny door, beautifully carved, with intricate patterns that shimmered in the sunlight. Before they could say "Slancha," the door creaked open and out popped the smallest, crankiest leprechaun you could ever imagine. "Who dares disturb me slumber?" the wee fella barked, his eyes blazing with fury. Kevin, always quick on his feet, offered the only peace offering he had, the flask of whiskey. "Sorry mate, fancy a wee dram," he said, holding out the flask. The leprechaun, clearly taken aback by this gesture, took a swig. His face softened, and he gave a chuckle. "It's been ages since a human offered me a drink. You've got spirit, lads. What's your names?" "We Kevin, and this here's Lance," Kevin replied, nudging his pal who was trying to hide behind the spade. The leprechaun, now in a much better mood, introduced himself as Seamus O'Shillelagh, guardian of the forest's treasures. He explained that most humans were greedy bastards, only looking to take, but Kevin and Lance, in their own daft way, had shown respect by offering a drink instead. Seamus, feeling generous, decided to grant them protection. "From this day forth you'll be under the guardianship of the leprechauns. Nae harm will come to ye in these woods, and you'll always find your way home, no matter how pissed you get." And so it was. Kevin and Lance, in their sheer stupidity, had managed to earn the favour of the leprechauns. They left the glade with no gold, but something far more valuable, the protection of the forest's wee folk. From that day on, they never got lost, never came to harm, and always found a friendly face in the woods, all thanks to a shared dram of whiskey with Seamus. And there you hae it, the tale of how two Egypts, purely by luck and a bit of kindness, found themselves protected by leprechauns. Slanche, ye bawbags. If you're the kind of dafty to actually enjoy this shite, don't you forget to like and subscribe, you wee little bastards.
Spirren an kruvan ester dula, gova mig lavi lavi. Gunki onte skun kinentando, verin dravi espes. Gulolori leprechaun ha komna sandorche dasmor. Bjün tanguna glin, bischen an feuerrichtlin. Gala kom la gubra an kirschem, gun stries gun kra. Verin kuran mother, father, vi han.